Hello, everybody. I want to show you a new resource that I have just added onto my website that is going to be of particular use to those of you who use the adult pack of Watch Your Strength cards. Now, it's a very similar resource to one that I made for the teen pack a year or so ago, which is basically a collection of stories, ideas, photographs, videos that people had shared with me about different ways of using the cards. And it's proved to be quite a popular resource. So I decided to do exactly the same thing for the adult pack so we can all learn from one another. So it's a pretty simple resource to use, but I thought I'd do a quick video tutorial to show you where to find it and how to navigate it. So you can see here, I've got just the main page of my website open. So there's two ways you can find it. You can either click on that tab in the middle that says different ways to use your cards, or across the top, if you go to where it says downloads, either of those two options will take you through to this downloads page, which has got several things on there, but it's just these top two that I want to reference today. So on the left-hand side, you've got the resource for the teen pack. On the right-hand side, you've got the new one that I've added this morning, the different ways to use Watch Your Strength skills and qualities cards for adults. So if you click onto that, it will take you through to the resource. There we go. Now, obviously, you can print this off if you'd prefer, but I'm going to show you how to use it online for those of you who want to use it interactively. So if you scroll down, it will take you through to the main contents page, which I've done as a mind map. And all you do is click on the section that you want to go to. So, for instance, if you were going to be running a group session with a group of adults and wanted to think about ways you might use your cards in that sort of setting, on the right-hand side, you'll see that sort of turquoise bubble that says group activities and workshops. If you click into that, it will take you through to a subsection, and again, 4 different options. So let's imagine you were going to be doing an employability workshop in person with a group. So if you click through to that option, the second one down, it will take you through to that page. Now, in this case, we've got a lovely story that's been shared by the fabulous Debbie Dymock. Quote there from Debbie explaining what she did with the cards along with the photograph. And you'll notice on the photograph, there's actually another resource on there, not just the Watch Your Strength cards, because Debbie used the cards alongside the Strengths Daisy created by Dyslexia Scotland. So throughout the document, you'll find hyperlinks. So in this case, if you wanted to know a little bit more about what that Strengths Daisy is, you can click through by clicking on the title in the description. And it will take you through, there we go, to the Dyslexia Scotland website, this Strengths Daisy. I click back, it should take us back onto the resource. There we go. And then if you wanted to find out a little bit more about Debbie and the work she does, if you click onto her name, it should take you through, there we go, to her website, the Northamptonshire Careers. So as you can see, it's fairly easy just to click through to the bits and bobs that you want. Now, if you wanted to go back to that subsection contents page, you can just click there to where it says back to section contents, and you'll find those options again. If you want to go back to that main mind map contents page, just go back to contents up at the top. So you can see there's a whole section all about different people that you might want to support, different ways you can use it in career development, group settings that we've just looked at, a celebration of friends, family and colleagues, and also how you might use the cards for well-being and self-belief. So any of these sections, when you click into them, there'll be an option across the top to ask a question. So where it says got a question, if you click on that, it will just take you through to your own email. Alternatively, if you wanted to get in touch with me, I'll just go back all the way through to my website. There's the contact page across the top. So when you click into there, you can send me a message, or you've got all the various different ways of communicating with me, whether it's LinkedIn, Twitter, or email. Please do get in touch. I intend for this resource to be a live document that I just keep adding to. So if anybody has been using their cards, whether it's the teen pack or the adult pack, in a creative way or in a way that you think other people could learn from, please get in touch with me and I will just keep adding them in, and we can continue to share the love of Watch Your Strength and learn from one another. So as always, any questions, any comments, any stories, please get in touch. But thanks for listening, and I hope you find it useful. Take care.